What are you doing, Bubba?
You gonna push me?
Push you? I'll push you. Just keep on rolling up.
It's really good.
Yeah.
What's the score?
It's only going to 5, 1 out.
Oh!
That's on you, right?
Dirty.
I didn't touch it. Somebody touched.
You're still in bounds.
Oh, I hit grass.
You hit grass and you're out there. I was still in bounds right there.
I didn't even.
Oh, this is, you can have it. Just go.
20 off.
It's just.
What up, buddy? I'm in Tampa. You enjoying a little vacation?
Put it up! Oh, you almost did this, man.
I thought I had to touch rim.
He gets ripped.
You know Jose wanted that one.
I want this shit. That was an ugly shot, Leo.
He's on a 30.
Silly funny.
And what?
Oh.
For real.
And just-
what are you up to?
And just like that, Jose was voted off the island.
Oh!
Game point?
Yeah, for me.
Now Leo's gonna be locked down deep. What the?
I think we gotta start the topic.
What the?
That was my bad.
No one never knows.
Yeah, he's true. I'll never know what happens.
You're dirty for trying that.
Well, I don't like to what? The last one was ass.
What is that, 3?
Yeah, 4-3.
Leo, the underdog. Plus 110.
This man lanky. Yeah, look at him.
He's ready for the rebound now.
Dude, how did we beat those fucking cheaters? Man?
Oh!
That's out. Oh, they're
Oh
playing.
my god. Yeah, I've been looking on YouTube to see what kind of build it is. Because apparently power force is not gonna be strong anymore. Yeah. Well, remember when we that was the first one we made to do everything.
Oh.
Oh, he wanted it over right there. He's still in, 4-4. Game point right here. Anybody who makes it next, sudden death. Next 4 wins. Sudden death.
Dun 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 dun.
Ah!
That was Nate's ball.
Jose's the ref?
Huh? Huh? Did you touch it? Oh, okay. Come on, Nate. 1 point.
That was anticlimactic.